Becky Robinson, and I'm an associate professor here at GSO. And most of my research, and almost sort of 80% of my brain power, is dedicated to understanding how the ocean has responded to changes in climate on long timescales, on geologic timescales. I really liked the idea, one, of understanding the system that I live next to. The other reason is it's important. We live on Narragansett Bay. We get fish from it. We have sort of, some of us sail or kayak, or we like to do recreation. We like to do things on it. It's an important nursery for other fish that come in, spawn, and then go back out to the open ocean. So it's a system that serves both the human and the non-human populations in the area. One of the things that's really sort of fundamental is that all the nutrients are coming in this upper part of the bay, and they're causing these diatoms and all these other photosynthetic organisms to just grow like gangbusters. So is all of that biological activity good? So on one hand, it might be great for fisheries because it's taking solar energy, it's converting into chemical energy that things can eat. But there are potentially negative consequences. The bad part is that we're also creating a huge potential to draw the oxygen out of this system. And that is one of the sort of biggest problems that has plagued this Narragansett Bay, and it has sent a lot of people trying to understand, so what are nutrients doing? Are they really important in driving this process? And so we know, because people go out and measure all the time, the dissolved oxygen in the bottom waters of Narragansett Bay, and we know that sometimes it gets so low that fish can't live. We've created these huge storage tanks so that the stuff that comes out of this, so that during huge rain events, nothing goes directly into the bay. Everything gets treated. So as we're reducing the loading at the wastewater treatment facilities, I think that the importance of cesspools and people not dealing with their septic tanks and people fertilizing their lawns are actually becoming proportionally more important. We lowered the amount of nitrogen coming into the system, but it seems to be sticking around longer. So like the next chapter of this would be to try to understand if that change is real. There's a lot of work to be done, and I think